Hey you guys, so today I got tired of being ashy and I needed to do some self care. So I decided to make me another sugar scrub updated 2023 version. So I'm looking for extra moisture. I started with some brown sugar. I had a little bit of grapeseed oil left over, which normally is awesome when it comes to me making my own little products. And I also have some manuka honey that I had to let it sit for a while because it's been in the refrigerator. Either way, um, see, that's what I got with the oil and the sugar so far. And I wanted to make it to where it's going to add, some more moisture into my skin. So yeah, we're gonna mix these together. Now this honey gonna be a little tricky because it's a little hard, and I had to let it sit out room temperature to be able to mix it and use it a little bit more. So like I said, I wanted to take this up a notch because we looking for the ultimate moisture, okay? And then I added a little bit of more brown sugar because it was becoming a little I guess you could say it was like it wasn't scrub like to me. It was more it was kind of wet. So yeah, I'm dropping them in there. I'll be adding a little bit more brown sugar in a minute, but I like to take my time with it. So now with adding a little bit more, it gave me a better consistency of a scrub. So again, I'm taking it up a notch. I'm going to use my shea butter that I have. Now I could have melted it, but I did not want it to melt my mixture. Okay, so you can melt it. This is what I'm doing. So I'm going to add a little bit more of the shea butter. Yes, I have a huge block because I like to make body butters and stuff like that. But anyway, I also have a little bit of mango butter. So I'm going to take a little bit of that mango butter and add it in as well because we want the ultimate moisture. Okay? Because one thing, I don't play about my legs. So as you can see, I do have a little bit of, it's kind of chunky, but I'm okay. I'm going to keep on messing with that mixture until I get it the way I want it. Now, this is my dry legs. Okay, we're going to show a little bit of dry. Look at all that, girl. Look at that. Look how dry they are, girl. We're going to pour her together. I want you to see it, see it. Look at this. Okay, this is all before. Yes, yes. Okay, look at this. So this is my mixture. Once I've completed it and it's pretty thick, I'm gonna go ahead and put some on my arms so you can see what it look like and what it's giving. It smells amazing. Smell it, y'all. So anyway, I'm just playing with the mixture a little bit. It look like peanut butter. But anyway, I'm gonna put some on my arms so you can see what I got going on. Yeah, yeah. So yeah. Now this is what happened after I showered and I used it. My ash is gone. Repeat, my ash is gone. So that added great moisture, but to seal it in even more, I'm going to go in and add my body butter that I make at home. And I think I did a video of the last body butter I did up here somewhere. But anyway, get close up. I want you to see this. You don't see them white flakes no more. Now I do still have some blemishes, but that's what the shea butter, the body butter is for. So we're gonna take this body butter. Yes, we camped out on the floor because the body butter sometimes can be a bit oily and I don't want it to get on anything else. So I'm gonna take my time and let it, seep in and do what it need to do. I'm gonna add some right now and then I'm gonna add some at night as well. And if you want to take it up a notch, you can wrap it with some saran, but I'm not really doing that right now. But that's an option. but we're going to get oiled up real good. And basically, that's it. That's all. That's what we doing. And you can repeat this twice a week or you can do it once a week. However, you need to, because one thing about it, I ain't ashamed about it, honey. Girl, my legs was ashy than a mofo. But one thing about it, I knew what to do to bring them things back to life. Okay? Peace.